We're in an interesting era of Arctic knowledge building. One, we have a recognition of the importance of the Arctic to global processes. We are looking at the Arctic as truly the last frontier in a sense, whether it's mineral exploration or fisheries or climate research. And often we fail to recognize that people live there and have lived there for thousands and thousands of years. And I think what we've come to, or where we're coming to, is that to answer these very complex questions, we require both knowledges. We have something to gain from the academic science pursuit of curiosity, but we also have a great deal to learn from the people who, over millennia, have understood, have adapted to change in the past, will adapt to whatever change in the future. The Indigenous peoples of the Arctic are not going anywhere. They will remain in the Arctic. It's their home. So I think it's in our best interest to ensure that their vision and their knowledge informs our decision-making process. And a lot of the IPY projects that had Indigenous engagement in this IPY tried to bring those two knowledges together. And it's not a natural process between science in the Arctic and Indigenous knowledge, but it's something that we're trying to move forward on and trying to make progress. And I think as we see how robust and how there is rigor in Indigenous knowledge, that the acceptance of that knowledge will only increase in the scientific world. And I think the same for the communities. There's a lot of questions communities have that, because the change is upon them so quickly, that they are looking for some investigative answers to these questions. So I see it as a real partnership in knowledge building and knowledge sharing.